Hello friends, I hope you're doing well and feeling healthy. In this project, I'm going to talk about electric tom-toms. As you know me until now, I talk about mixing problems and offer solution. In this mix, let's check this electric tom-tom. It's not really what I want to hear. It's not as effective as I want. It feels like it's hollow and empty. So I want to make it a little bit rich and big. So what I'm going to use, let's try this new plugin that I installed yesterday. It is free and Pultec simulation. Oh, you can choose the tubes here. Nice. And oversampling. I like that explosive sound. It's interesting. But I want to have it just enough. More would be out of the song and would be different, would sound different. Less would be faded in the depths of the song. That I don't want to happen. We can check tube later. Let's just stick to this one. Okay. So you know what I mean when I say it's hollow and empty. Kiivi Audio added input and output to all of its plugins, its simulations. It is really nice to have control over input and output, even in the plugins like Pultec simulations that does not have it. So thank you Kiivi Audio, or whatever is its pronouns. So let's match input and output. I'm using a meter here. I trust this meter more than my heart. It is really accurate and does have whatever I need. Everything is here. I do most of the mixing stuff by ear, so I doesn't need a spectrum analyzer that shows me what's wrong, what is right, and what should I do. I mostly do it by ear. But when it comes to matching, because of the loudness changes, I use this one. So it is louder. Done. It is good. That's what I'm talking about. It has more power, more characteristic, more personality, and I like this one. So another thing that is useful here is making it wider. I want to make this electric tom-toms wider. So let's check this plugin from Tal, or whatever its pronunciation. Done. It's simple, it's effective, it's sufficient. I don't want it to have much of a chorus-like effect. I want to keep this electric tom-tom as fixed as possible because modulation moves it around and I don't like that effect on this tom-tom. It's good enough. It is good enough. So I hear the problem. I found solution for it or made solution for it and this is the result. Mixing and mastering is a completely creative process. It's not related or dependent on your plugins or your tools. As you can see and as you saw, I'm using lots of stock plugins on this Reaper and lots of free plugins. I have some paid plugins too, but it's not about plugins. I've switched from high-end and completely strong and high-quality plugins to these ones. So it is possible to achieve what you want with different tools, even free ones. Free doesn't mean cheap in quality. You should just check its quality and see it for yourself. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.